Hi guys, Richard from Aqua Essentials here today, and I just want to do a short video on moss balls, or some of you may also know them as Marimo moss balls, Chladoflora. Really easy, and we've got two different sizes available, and they're quite large, the ones we have in at the moment. So I'm just going to flip this camera around a moment, and so you can see the two different sizes we have. Okay, right, so if I just spin it around now, got these on the floor here. So you can see the ones here. These are just our normal size moss balls, okay, and then we've got the large moss balls, which are considerably bigger, all nice and healthy. Now these are really easy to keep in the aquarium. In fact, you have to do almost nothing to them. You're meant to turn them round or turn them over to make sure they keep their shape, so nice and round. But if you have any fish in your tank of a decent size, you'll find them move them anyway. Here's a particularly large one, look at that, whopper. Anyway, they're not all this size. We've got quite a few of this, or we've got a lot of this smaller size here, and not so many of the really big ones here. But it's on a first come, first served basis. So for all of our newsletter subscribers, of course, you're going to get first dibs on all these ones. And if I can move the camera over, you can see we've got an awful lot of them, and another one here anyway. So we've got absolutely hundreds of them in stock, and that's the, if I stand up now, that's the small and the large Marimo moss balls on sale at the moment. And so if you are interested, take advantage of these sale prices, and particularly the large ones, because they won't go on forever. We'll eventually sell out of those quite quickly, and then we'll just be left with the small ones. So that's Marimo moss balls.